The Ford forward fault warning has become increasingly common across multiple Ford vehicle models, particularly affecting F-150, Explorer, Expedition, and Bronco vehicles from 2009 to 2024. Modern Ford 4WD systems have evolved from simple mechanical systems to complex electronic networks. The system splits engine power between front and rear axles, but now relies heavily on electronic control modules for operation. The heart of the modern system is the four-bubbeted control module, which integrates with the body control module and powertrain control module. This electronic brain controls all engagement and disengagement sequences. The most common cause is transfer case motor failure. This results in grinding noises, failure to engage or disengage 4WD mode, and is often due to worn motor brushes or encoder ring problems. Electronic failures include control module software corruption and hardware degradation. Wiring problems from corrosion, road debris damage, and poor ground connections are also frequent culprits. Sensor malfunctions include speed sensors providing incorrect data, faulty transfer case position sensors, and wheel speed sensor discrepancies that confuse the control system. Proper diagnosis requires specific tools: an OBD2 scanner with Ford-specific capabilities, a digital multimeter for electrical testing, and Ford IDS software for advanced system diagnostics. Key diagnostic trouble codes include B1342 for switch circuit failures, B1485 for control module faults, U0415 for communication errors, and P0836 for switch circuit performance issues. These codes guide technicians to the specific problem area. Understanding these components, causes, and diagnostic codes is essential for properly addressing Ford 4WD fault warnings and ensuring reliable four-wheel drive operation. Ford 4WD fault troubleshooting follows a systematic three-phase approach, combined with preventive maintenance to avoid future issues. Phase 1 is initial assessment. Start by reading diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner to identify specific fault areas. Phase 2 involves electronic diagnostics. Verify that the four-body control module can communicate with other vehicle systems, then test voltage levels and sensor signals. Phase 3 focuses on component-specific testing. Use a multimeter to test the transfer case motor, control module, sensors, and actuators for proper operation. Prevention is key to avoiding 4WD faults. Change transfer case fluid every 60,000 miles, check for software updates annually, and inspect electrical connections every 30,000 miles in harsh environments. Watch for early warning signs that indicate potential 4BOD problems: delayed engagement or disengagement, unusual noises during operation, dashboard warning lights, and vibration or binding during turns in 4BOD mode. Following this systematic troubleshooting approach and maintaining regular service intervals will help ensure reliable 4WD operation and prevent costly repairs.